Welcome to THT Design Channel. I'm THT, who a designer and researcher of homes and living spaces. I am happy to share pictures and knowledge about the house with everyone. Bohemian living rooms, also known as boho-chic living rooms, are all about creating a relaxed, inviting, and globally inspired space. Here's what defines a bohemian living room design: color palette, warm and earthy tones. Earthy tones like terracotta, rust, sage green, and tan create a warm and grounded base. Pops of color. Don't shy away from vibrant colors. Jewel tones, fuchsia, or a mustard yellow add personality and reflect the playful spirit of boho style. Furniture and materials, mix and match. Boho living rooms embrace a curated, yet collected feel. Don't be afraid to mix and match furniture styles, textures, and periods. Natural materials, rattan, wicker, wood, and woven furniture are all popular choices, creating a warm and organic feel. Leather poofs or ottomans add a touch of texture. Vintage finds, Bohemian style loves vintage treasures. Look for unique pieces at flea markets, thrift stores, or antique shops to add character and a touch of history. Textiles and patterns, layered rugs, layering area rugs, like a kilim rug over a jute rug, adds depth and visual interest. Bohemian textiles, think throw pillows, blankets, and tapestries with ethnic prints, macrame wall hangings, and knitted throws. Mix of patterns. Don't be afraid to mix and match patterns, but try to maintain a cohesive color palette to avoid overwhelming the space. Plants and greenery, abundant greenery. Bohemian living rooms are all about bringing the outdoors in. Decorate with a variety of plants, from large fiddle leaf figs to trailing pothos on hanging planters. Statement plants. Consider a large statement plant, like a monstera or a bird of paradise, to add a touch of drama and life to the space. Decorative accents, global touches. Boho style celebrates world cultures. Incorporate woven baskets from Africa, Turkish lamps, or hand-painted ceramics from Mexico. Candles and lanterns. Fairy lights, lanterns, and candles add a warm and inviting ambience, perfect for creating a cozy atmosphere. Personal touches. Don't forget to add elements that reflect your personality. Artwork, travel souvenirs, or a vintage record player all contribute to a unique and personal space. Overall vibe: a bohemian living room should feel comfortable, inviting, and full of personality. It's a space that tells a story about the homeowner and their love for travel, different cultures, and a touch of the unexpected. Why design a bohemian living room? If you crave a space that's both stylish and comfortable, look no further than the bohemian living room. Here's why you might choose this inviting and expressive design: personal and unique. Bohemian style isn't about following trends, it's about creating a space that reflects your personality. Embrace your love for travel, vintage finds, and vibrant colors to design a living room that's truly one of a kind. Warm and inviting, earthy tones, layered textures, and an abundance of plants create a warm and inviting atmosphere. It's a space that feels like a cozy haven to relax and unwind after a long day. Budget-friendly, Bohemian style thrives on vintage finds and unique pieces. You can score amazing finds at flea markets, thrift stores, or even garage sales, allowing you to create a stylish space without breaking the bank. Globally inspired, boho style celebrates the beauty of different cultures. This allows you to incorporate travel souvenirs, handcrafted pieces from around the world, and ethnic prints to create a space that reflects your wanderlust. Relaxed and comfortable, forget about stiff furniture and formal arrangements. Boho living rooms are all about creating a comfortable and lived-in space. Think plush throws, comfy pillows, and inviting seating arrangements that encourage relaxation. Getting started with your bohemian living room, ready to embrace the bohemian spirit in your living room? Here are some steps to get you started. 1. Find your inspiration. Browse magazines, scour Pinterest, and visit home decor stores to get a feel for the bohemian aesthetic. Identify elements that resonate with you, whether it's a specific color palette, a love for vintage furniture, or an abundance of plants. 2. Embrace earthy tones. Start with a warm and inviting base. Paint your walls a warm beige, terracotta, or even a sage green. This will create a grounded feel for your bohemian oasis. 3. Mix and match furniture. Don't be afraid to combine different furniture styles. A vintage Chesterfield sofa can look amazing next to a mid-century modern coffee table. Look for unique pieces with character and stories to tell. 4. Layer up the textures. Woven baskets, chunky knit throws, and a variety of rugs in different textures add depth and visual interest to your space. 5. Incorporate vintage finds. Hit the thrift stores and flea markets. Unique vintage furniture, artwork, or even lamps add a touch of history and personality to your bohemian haven. 6. Go global with your decor. Bohemian style celebrates different cultures. Incorporate woven baskets from Africa, Turkish lamps, or hand-painted ceramics from Mexico to add a touch of wanderlust. 7. Bring the outdoors in. Plants are essential in a bohemian living room. Decorate with a variety of greenery, from large fiddle leaf figs to trailing pothos on hanging planters. 8. Light the way. Fairy lights, lanterns, and candles create a warm and inviting ambience. String lights across a wall or place lanterns on side tables for a touch of bohemian magic. 9. Don't forget the personal touches. This is your space, so personalize it. Display artwork you love, travel souvenirs that spark memories, or a vintage record player that reflects your passions. By embracing these tips and letting your creativity flow, you can design a bohemian living room that's not only stylish but also a true reflection of your unique personality and way of life, calling all free spirits and design lovers. Do you crave a living room that's both comfy and bursting with personality? Then prepare to be enchanted by the world of bohemian living rooms. This video dives deep into inspiring designs that will transform your space into a cozy haven that reflects your unique style. Imagine a living room that feels like a warm embrace. Earthy tones create a sense of calm, while pops of color add a touch of whimsy. Bohemian style isn't about following trends, it's about creating a space that tells your story. This video will unveil the secrets to achieving the perfect bohemian look. We'll explore how to mix and match furniture styles, textures, and vintage finds to create a space that's both stylish and personal. Learn how to layer cozy throws and rugs, incorporate lush greenery, and add global touches to celebrate the beauty of different cultures. So, ditch the ordinary and embrace the bohemian way of life. Click here and watch this video to discover how to design a living room that's an extension of your personality. A space that invites relaxation and a reflection of your love for travel, comfort, and a touch of the unexpected. Please comment below to share your favorite home design style. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your home. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.